So I'm Lily, and today we're in Dulwich in southeast London. So we took on this really large renovation project, and I think when we moved here we really wanted to kind of embrace the feeling of space and light, particularly with the lovely high ceilings and the kind of Victorian architecture. We went for very light colours and light woods to get quite a calming, Scandi feel. So I found ABI through Instagram. The style of the products and the general interior style was something that really appealed to me, particularly the kind of simplicity of the products, and it kind of chimed a lot with understated kind of architectural style that I like. We feel really lucky to be living here, and it's such a transformation from what was. So I think we feel quite proud to see it become the space that it is today.